Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Sripad Sampath Bhattacharya, ladies and gentlemen, I must thank you for your kindly coming here during this Vyas Puja ceremony. Vyas Puja, this asana where they have seated me, it is called Vyas asana. The Guru is the representative of Vyasadeva. Every one of you have heard the name of Vyasadeva, Vedavyasa. So, anyone who represents the great Acharya, Vyasadeva, he is allowed to sit on the Vyas asana. So, Vyas Puja Guru is representative of Vyasadeva, therefore his birthday anniversary is accepted as Vyas Puja. Now, I must explain my position because in these days a person being worshipped as most exalted personality is something a revolution, because they like democracy by vote. Somebody should be elevated, however rascal he may be. But our system, the Guru Parampara system, is different. Our system, if you do not accept the Vedic knowledge through Guru Parampara system, it is useless. You cannot manufacture an interpretation of the Vedic language. Just like cow dung. Cow dung is the stool of an animal. The Vedic injunction is that if you touch cow dung, any stool of an animal, you have to take immediately bath and purify yourself. But the Vedic injunction is also that cow dung can purify any impure place. Especially we Hindus, we accept it. Now by reason it is contradicted. The stool of an animal is impure and the Vedic injunction is cow dung is pure. Actually, we accept cow dung as pure to purify any place. Out of Panchagarbha, the cow dung is there, cow urine is there. So, it appears contradictory, the Vedic injunction. But still we accept, because it is Vedic order. That is the acceptance of Vedas. Just like Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, there are so many rascals. They cut short. I like this, I do not like this. No. Arjuna says, Sarvametam Ritang Manne. That is understanding of Vedas. If a rascal makes cutting, I do not like this, I interpret, this is not Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita means you have to accept as it is. That is Bhagavad Gita. We are presenting therefore Bhagavad Gita as it is. Krishna says, the speaker of the Bhagavad Gita, he says, Sakalena Yoganashta Parantapa. My dear Arjuna, this Bhagavad Gita science, Imang Vivasati Yogam Prattavana. I spoke first of all to the Sun God, and he spoke to his son, Vivashan Manovipra, to Vivasat Mano Ikhakave Brabhi, Evang Parampara Praptam Evang Rajansu. This is the process. Sakalena Yoganashta Parantam. Anyone who does not come through this parampara system, if he presents any interpretation of Vedic literature, it is useless. It is useless. It has no meaning. Yoganashta Parantam. So that is going on. It has no meaning.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.